Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the incredible world of artificial intelligence and its potential to make us some serious money. Today, we're diving into the realm of AI-powered income streams. Get ready, because we're about to unlock the secrets of making money with AI. Before we get started, let's make sure we're all on the same page. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a rapidly evolving field that involves creating intelligent machines capable of mimicking human intelligence. From voice assistants to self-driving cars, AI has already become an integral part of our lives. But did you know it can also be a fantastic tool for generating income? Alright, let's jump right in. Here are some exciting ways you can leverage the power of AI to boost your bank account. Method 1. AI-powered trading algorithms. One of the most popular ways to make money with AI is through trading algorithms. These sophisticated programs analyze vast amounts of data, spot patterns, and make lightning, fast trading decisions. With AI on your side, you can take advantage of market trends and potentially increase your investment returns. AI-powered trading algorithms work by continuously analyzing market data, such as stock prices, trading volumes, and market news, in real time. They can swiftly identify patterns and trends that might be impossible for a human trader to notice. These algorithms can even adapt to changing market conditions and adjust their strategies accordingly. The advantage of using AI-powered trading algorithms is their ability to remove emotional biases from trading decisions. Emotions such as fear and greed can often cloud judgment and lead to poor trading choices. However, AI algorithms base their decisions solely on data analysis and predefined parameters, reducing the impact of emotional factors. AI-powered trading algorithms have shown tremendous potential in optimizing trading strategies and generating profits. By leveraging advanced machine learning techniques, these algorithms can quickly adapt to market dynamics and exploit profitable opportunities. Remember, AI-powered trading algorithms can be a powerful tool in your trading arsenal, but they're not a guaranteed path to instant riches. Successful trading still requires careful analysis, risk management, and an understanding of market dynamics. With the right approach and continuous learning, AI can significantly enhance your trading strategies and potentially improve your financial outcomes. Method 2. AI-enhanced marketing and sales. If you're a business owner or a digital entrepreneur, AI can be a game changer for your marketing and sales efforts. AI tools can help you analyze customer behavior, personalize marketing campaigns, and even automate customer support. By harnessing the power of AI, you can drive more sales and increase your revenue. AI tools can analyze vast amounts of customer data, including browsing patterns, purchase history, and demographic information. By leveraging this wealth of information, businesses can create personalized marketing campaigns that resonate with their target audience on a deeper level. AI can help businesses optimize various aspects of their marketing and sales efforts. For instance, AI-powered chatbots provide instant customer support, improving customer experience and reducing response times. Personalization algorithms can tailor content and recommendations based on individual preferences, boosting customer engagement and loyalty. AI-enhanced marketing and sales strategies have the potential to transform businesses' bottom line. By leveraging AI algorithms, businesses can analyze customer behavior, identify trends, and tailor marketing messages to match customer preferences. This level of personalization can significantly impact customer satisfaction, conversions, and ultimately, revenue growth. If you're an entrepreneur or business owner, here are a few ways you can leverage AI to enhance your marketing and sales efforts. 1. Customer segmentation. Use AI algorithms to segment your customer base effectively. By identifying key customer groups and understanding their preferences, you can create targeted marketing campaigns that resonate with each segment. 2. Predictive analytics. Utilize AI algorithms to predict customer behavior and identify potential upselling or cross-selling opportunities. By analyzing customer data and patterns, you can anticipate their needs and deliver relevant offers. 3. Chatbots and virtual assistants. Implement AI-powered chatbots or virtual assistants to provide instant customer support and handle routine inquiries. This automation can improve response times, enhance customer satisfaction, and free up your team's time for more valuable tasks. 4. Content personalization. Leverage AI algorithms to personalize your content and recommendations. By understanding customer preferences and behavior, you can deliver tailored content that resonates with your audience, boosting engagement and conversions. With the power of IU, businesses can create a more targeted and personalized marketing experience for their customers. By understanding their needs, preferences, and behavior, you can optimize your marketing and sales efforts to drive better results and increase your revenue. Method 3. AI-powered content creation. Content creation is booming, and AI is here to lend a helping hand. AI algorithms can assist you in generating engaging blog posts, social media content, or even video scripts. By utilizing AI, you can save time and produce high-quality content that resonates with your audience. AI-based content creation utilizes natural language processing and machine learning techniques to analyze vast amounts of data, extract insights, and generate human-like content. By leveraging AI, content creators can access valuable resources, enhance their creativity, and produce content more efficiently. Let's take a closer look at how AAU can assist in content creation. Aspect 1. Topic generation and research. AI algorithms can help content creators generate topic ideas and perform in-depth research on various subjects. By analyzing user behavior, search trends, and social media data, AI can identify popular topics and provide insights and data to support content creation. Aspect 2. Automated writing assistant. AI tools can assist content creators with writing by offering suggestions, grammar corrections, and even generating content drafts. These AI-based writing assistants can help improve the overall quality and coherence of content while saving time and effort. Aspect 3. Content optimization. AI algorithms can optimize content for search engines and enhance its reach. By analyzing keywords, search trends, and user intent, AI can provide recommendations on how to structure and optimize content to maximize its visibility and engagement. AI-based content creation is a game changer for content creators. It can help streamline the content creation process, enhance creativity, and improve overall productivity. AI tools offer valuable insights and support, enabling creators to focus on delivering valuable and engaging content to their audience. By embracing AI-based content creation, you can elevate your content creation process, deliver more value to your audience, and save precious time along the way. Method 4. AI-based freelancing. If you have specialized AEA skills, freelancing in the AI field can be an excellent way to monetize your expertise. Companies often seek AI professionals for projects such as data analysis, machine learning, or developing AI. Freelancing in the AI domain can be both intellectually stimulating and financially rewarding. These are just a few examples of how you can tap into the potential of AI to make money. The key is to stay curious, continuously learn about the latest AI technologies, and explore new opportunities as they arrive. Let's delve deeper into how you can kickstart your journey in AI-based freelancing. Aspect 1. Identify your niche and skills. Start by identifying your area of expertise within the AI field. Are you skilled in natural language processing, computer vision, or recommendation systems? Determine your strengths and passions to position yourself as an expert in a specific niche. Aspect 2. Build your portfolio. To attract clients, showcase your skills and experience through a compelling portfolio. Highlight your past projects, achievements, and any relevant certifications or qualifications. Demonstrating your expertise and the value you can provide will increase your chances of securing freelance gigs. Aspect 3. Networking and collaboration. Networking is crucial in the freelance world. Join AI-related communities, attend industry events, and engage with professionals in the field. Collaborating with fellow freelancers or joining AI-focused platforms can also lead to valuable connections and potential project opportunities. AI-based freelancing offers immense flexibility, allowing freelancers to work on exciting projects from anywhere in the world. The demand for AI expertise is growing rapidly, and skilled freelancers can thrive by staying updated with the latest advancements and actively engaging with the AI community. Remember, the world of AI is ever evolving, and the possibilities are vast. So if you're ready to ride the AI wave and unlock new streams of income, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We've got plenty more exciting AI-related content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy AI money making.